Lesson 8. In this lesson, you will learn 3 more essential Malagasy verbs that you will use in real conversations every day. The verbs are to speak, to learn, and to work. Listen first, and then we will practice each one.
Miteny Malagasy aho.
Mianatra teny Malagasy aho.
Miasa aho.
Let us begin with the first verb. The Malagasy word for to speak or to say is
Miteny.
use it when you talk about language and communication. Listen and repeat.
Miteny. Miteny.
Now say the word for to speak.
Miteny.
Now to say I speak Malagasy, you say.
Miteny Malagasy aho.
Remember,
Aho.
means I. Listen and repeat.
Miteny Malagasy aho. Miteny Malagasy aho.
Now how do you say I speak Malagasy?
Miteny Malagasy aho.
Now the second verb, the Malagasy word for to learn or to study is
Mianatra.
You can use this verb for studying anything, school, skills, or languages. Listen and repeat.
Mianatra. Mianatra.
Now say the word for to learn.
Mianatra.
The Malagasy word for language is.
Teny.
So the Malagasy language is
Teny Malagasy.
listen and repeat.
Teny Malagasy. Teny Malagasy.
Now to say I am learning Malagasy, you say.
Mianatra teny Malagasy aho.
Listen and repeat.
Mianatra teny Malagasy aho. Mianatra teny Malagasy aho.
Now how do you say I am learning Malagasy?
Mianatra teny Malagasy aho.
Now the third verb, the Malagasy word for to work is.
Miasa.
This is a very common verb in daily life. You use it to talk about jobs and occupations. Listen and repeat.
Miasa. Miasa.
Now say the word for to work.
Miasa.
To say I work, you simply say.
Miasa aho.
Listen and repeat.
Miasa aho. Miasa aho.
Now how do you say I work?
Miasa aho.
Now it is time to practice. Try to answer in Malagasy. Take your time, listen to the question, and say your answer out loud during the pause. First question, someone asks you, do you speak Malagasy? Answer that yes, you speak Malagasy.
Miteny Malagasy ve ianao?
Eny, miteny Malagasy aho.
Second question, someone asks you, what are you learning? Answer that you are learning Malagasy.
Mianatra ino ianao?
Mianatra teny Malagasy aho.
Third question, someone asks you, do you work? Answer that yes, you work.
Miasa ve ianao?
Eny, miasa aho.
Excellent. Let us review the 3 verbs you learned today. How do you say to speak in Malagasy?
Miteny.
How do you say to learn in Malagasy?
Mianatra.
And how do you say to work in Malagasy?
Miasa.
Wonderful. These verbs help you talk about your daily life in Malagasy, what you do, what you learn, and how you communicate. See you in the next lesson.